Hi guys, this is the second question of the test of the mock exam. It is a little bit tricky, but we can do it. The question is, how many times the player 3 had the turn? We start with turn equals 0, the variable turn equals 0. Then we have a loop here and a condition. And finally, an increase of the variable turn. So in the first iteration, turn will be 0, but the next one will be 1, and the next one 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, until we arrive to the condition number. Okay, when we arrive to this number, we go out of the loop. Then we have to realize that the condition is always turn, the remainder of turn divided by 3. Okay, so we can calculate it in every iteration. In the first one, it is 0, then 1, 2, also another time 0 because 3 divided by 3 is the remainder is 0, and 1 and 2, and this is also 0. So we can realize that this is a cycle. And a third of the iterations, the result is 0, a third is 1, and the other third is 2. So when it is 0, the player 1 has a turn. If it is 1, the player 2 has a turn. And in the other cases, that is the 2, the player 3 has the turn. So if we realize that the 2 happens a third time, to know how many times the player 3 has a turn, we have to get this number and divide it by 3. And we get the response. Bye.